How to turn on saved phone number in Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on saved phone number on your Instagram. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Instagram app, and then once you're on your Instagram, go to your profile. Then here tap on these three lines. Then tap on settings. In settings, tap on security, and here in security tap on saved login info, and here you will see saved phone number. If you turn on this, Instagram will remember this phone number on your device. This will help you access and verify this account or any account associated with this phone number in the future without an SMS code. So to turn on, tap here, and it will be turned on if you have your phone number saved to your Instagram account. I don't have saved my phone number to my Instagram account, that's why it is not turning on. But if you have saved your phone number, you just have to tap here and it will be turned on. And so this is how you can turn on saved phone number in your Instagram. Thanks for watching.